his Redeemer. The Lord of hosts, I am the first and I am the last. Besides me there is no God. Who is like me? Let him proclaim it. Let him declare and set it before me. Since I appointed an ancient people, let them declare what is to come and what will happen. He says, fear not, nor be afraid. Have I not told you from of old and declared it? And are you not my witnesses? Is there a God besides me? There is no rock I know of him. That is our God. He is the one that we stand secure on, and a firm foundation, who is of old and will always be. So why don't you stand tonight as we worship him tonight. And I will glory in my Redeemer, whose priceless blood has ransomed me. Mine was the sin that drove the bitter rain and hung him on that judgment tree. I will glory in my Redeemer, who crushed the power of sin.